So these are the remotes that we're using, and what I've noticed over the last several months is that this main button right here tends to get sunken in, and no matter how hard I press, sometimes it just doesn't work. So I came up with a quick fix for that. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. Basically, you just start by removing or opening the remote. And see, what happens with these things is there's these little plastic pieces inside here that are supposed to hold this circuit board away from the base, but those things break off, and so then this thing ends up sinking down, and then the button is down further. So anyways, that's what's happening. So what I did is I took some of this foam, it's kind of like packaging material, but it's not porous, but whatever, it's like soft foam stuff, and I cut out a little piece like that, and you just put that in the back side. Circuit board goes back in. This snaps back together, put your screw back in, and now it works fine. So anyways, that's my easy fix for the remotes. Hope it helps.